Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the PowerPoint presentation name. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So a couple different ways. If you just want to save it as a new presentation, you can select the File tab and then select Save As. Save it to wherever you want to save this file to. And then you can actually change the name of it to whatever you want, and then you would just select Save to save it. And that's all you'd have to do. If you want to change the name of an existing PowerPoint, you may want to go and locate that file on your computer. So if you selected Save As, and you should see the folders that you could save files in, you can then just go ahead and select up at the top bar, just copy that. So highlight over it, like double click on the File Explorer address bar, right click and copy, or select Control C. And then if you were to close out of PowerPoint and then open up File Explorer, and we went ahead and opened that up. And then up at the top address, go ahead and delete whatever's in there and then paste in that file path. And then you should see the files right here. You can just right click on the file and then select the rename option at the top. And you can just type in new name, for example. So you can create a new PowerPoint file or you can rename it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.